Okay, so what did I buy from AliExpress? Let's have a look. So this was just a cheap micro screwdriver set with various bits in it. I don't know what I was expecting, but probably something better than this. Mind you, it was only a couple of quid, so I can't complain. So let's have a look at these bits in this screwdriver handle. So this one at random didn't even fit in the socket. Not particularly impressive. This one did. It's okay. Why did I buy it? I've got one of these Xiaomi wow sticks and they're brilliant. But sometimes if you find a tight screw, you don't want to overstress the motor or the gearbox. So I thought I'd buy a manual micro screwdriver. And I thought this one might be okay. The bits do fit, but it's of a similar quality to the sort of thing you might pick up at Poundland or a dollar store. Not very good, I'm not particularly impressed, but you get what you pay for. These, I've got a busted zip on one of my jackets. It's actually broken the puller rather than the zip itself. So I got some of these replacement zips. You get a number of different sizes. So let's have a look at these then. You get about half a dozen in each bag, and as I said earlier, they come in different sizes. So let's have a look at typical sizes and size differences while I can stop fumbling. Yeah, so there's a bit of a difference between the sizes. I did have a play with one of them, try and fit it onto my jacket. You open them up by splitting them here. And they're held in place with a little plastic clip that you can probably see sticking up there between the plates. Now this one I tried to fit in place a couple of times and that little clip broke off. Would it stand up to general use? I don't think so. Tat. Wouldn't bother with those if I were you. This was quite nice. I needed a short power oblique data cable, and I saw these quite adaptable. Now, I don't need the lightning connector, I don't have any Apple products, but these are adaptable. You can change between USB-A, USB-C and lightning, and as you can see, I did a feature on this little board. It shows you 4 data lines are working when you use a lightning connector, and you go to USB-A to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C, and when you do that you get all the 5 lines that you would normally expect to get as a minimum on that USB-C. So you can use them for both power and data transfer, and I've tested them for both and they work fine. So yeah, I quite like these. They seem to be quite well made, so I'm happy with that. I have a number of dev boards, so I don't know why I really bought this. This is a Wemos D1 R32 ESP32 Dev Board in an Arduino Uno format, but I quite like the format, so I thought why not. They're not particularly expensive, and this is it seems to be quite well made. I haven't tried it out yet, but yeah, it's okay. So this was the thing that I really wanted. This is an ESP82 controlled relay board. It works off the mains, uses a switch mode power supply, 732 volts DC, and it's got these 4 outputs for the relays. So yeah, I think I'll do another video on this one when I come to use it. Well, that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. See you again. Bye.